can be extremely frustrating to feel ready to transition and not be able to, whether due to a lack of resources or obstacles created by your job, family, community, and so on. In these cases, it's often helpful to seek out what you can do to live more fully in your authentic gender. Perhaps you can't have surgery, but you can take hormones. Or you can't do any medical transition, but you can groom and dress in a way that feels in line with your gender identity. Perhaps even an online identity allows you some open space that you don't get to have in real life. And perhaps you can only do any of these during certain times of your day or in private. Seek out ways to live in and express your gender when and wherever you can and still feel safe. It's also extremely helpful to have people in your life who understand and validate your gender, whether that's a friend, therapist, colleague, family member, or again, even an online community. It can all make a difference.